In this short film, we'll look at setting up your Gtech Cordless Hedge Trimmer and getting started. First things first, it arrives packaged in its separate parts: the body, the head, the blade and the battery. Now we'll take a closer look at the battery later, but for now, let's look at quickly assembling the parts. The body of the trimmer and the head can only be attached one way, so check carefully to make sure the shapes match up before you push the handle into place. When the handle is properly inserted, you'll see this button pop up into the aperture. Then, with the cover still on, connect the blade to the head. It locks securely into place with a click. You can attach the battery with a nice positive click. Before you start to trim, you'll need the head to be at the ideal angle, so the head adjusts through 135 degrees. But before you adjust, make sure the trimmer is switched off and the blades aren't moving. When the blade cover is not on, make sure you're wearing sturdy gloves and eye protection. Firmly grip the head of the trimmer with the green button pressed down. You can now rotate the head to your desired angle, and to lock it into place, simply release the button. To ensure the trimmer isn't switched on unintentionally, there's a safety button located on both sides of the handle. So, to turn the hedge trimmer on, you'll need to push in and hold the safety button here, and then press in the power trigger on the underside of the handle. Once the trimmer is on, you can let go of the safety button while still holding the trigger, and that's your hedge trimmer ready to use. Whether the battery is on the trimmer or off, the state of charge indicator here tells you how much charge you have left. As you use it, the LEDs will turn off in a clockwise direction. All 4 LEDs lit means 60 to 100% charge is left. 3 means 30 to 60%. 2 means 10 to 30%. And 1 means 10% or less. When the battery is out of charge, the final LED will flash for a few seconds before going out. A fully charged battery should give you 45 minutes trimming time. When it's time to recharge the battery, you'll need to remove it by pressing both of these buttons at the same time and pulling it out. Charging the battery fully takes 4 hours and can only be done with the battery off the product. When the battery is on charge, the LEDs will progressively pulse until all 4 are lit, and when it's fully charged, the battery LEDs will stop pulsing and remain green. If you want to know how much charge is in the battery at any time, just press the central button. The 18-volt lithium-ion battery is fully interchangeable with the Gtech Cordless Grass Trimmer. Extra batteries are available as a spare on gtech.co.uk.